Hi, my name is Courtney, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to really learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found giving people a free, easy attack plan of things that they can do for their business by themselves has resulted in a lot of the business owners still asking for help. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve for your business, shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So first thing I want to go over is I do like your contacts being right up at the front. Those are very useful to the viewers of your website. I do want to say that you guys need at least 1,500 words of content to be optimized. With Google, you guys have about 300 words of content, while if we go over to your competition here, you can see they have about 1,400 words of content. You can definitely beat that out though. There are other things other than content, however, that also help us get ranked in Google. If we come over here to Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that shows how Google is ranking each website. We can see here this is how Google ranks your website. Keywords are another important thing that also have a big impact on Google ranking with websites. If we click here, we can see you have 163 organic keywords, and these are your top keywords used throughout your website. We can see that out of the 2,200 that Atlas Plumbing gets of clicks every month, you guys get about 343 because you are in the first position. That is a very good thing. And you're doing pretty good with your rankings in all of these keywords, I must say. But there's always room for improvement. Especially, you could add more organic keywords, especially seeing that your competitors, they have around 1,800 organic keywords on their website. Now these are the keywords that they're ranking the top 5 in. And we can see that they aren't really ranking as high up or gaining as many clicks as you guys are from your keywords. But for some reason, if we go and compare the amount of clicks between the two, your website is getting around 510 clicks every month, while theirs is getting around 911. I definitely can see you guys beating this out. Now, the next thing I would like to go over is backlinks. Now, all backlinks are links between websites. So site A is pointing to site B, and it is providing traffic to site B. So that gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's like a popularity contest. And if site A is more relative to site B, like if they're both about plumbing, then it tends to have more of an effect compared to if like Pizza Hut was linking to a plumbing website. And we can see here that your competitors have around 2,600 backlinks, while you guys have 2,800 backlinks. You can definitely add more and more relative stronger backlinks to your website that will be more effective than the backlinks that they have. Moving on to the last section, I would like to go over the Google Map Pack. Now, all the Google Map Pack is, or maps, is it just lists a bunch of companies, and we can see here it lists their business name, it gives their address as well as their number, and their website as well. Now these guys receive about 35% of the clicks with whatever is typed into Google. And we can see here that you guys don't really pop up unless you are specifically typed in. You're missing out on a lot of possible customers by not being in this, especially new customers that might not know anything about your business. In order to rank in maps, we will need to increase the citations that are submitted word for word into directories, such as Yellow Book or Yext or White Book, or even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. And yeah, pretty much once again, we went over your front page of your website. It needs at least 1,500 words of content. You want to have 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competition by a landslide, and the links need to be more relevant that are pointing at your site to show Google you are the authority. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself time, you can email me back. Once again, my name is Courtney, and my email is courtney@haydenseo.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and all feedback is welcomed and encouraged. Have a great one.